everyone, I'm Emma, your friendly English teacher.
And I'm Jake, who still takes 20 minutes to order coffee because I overthink every English word.
Today, we're practicing real daily life conversations, the kind of English you actually use every day.
So if you want to speak English naturally, not like a textbook robot, hit that subscribe button and let's hang out.
We post fun, practical lessons every week to help you talk smart in real life. Let's dive in. All right, Jake, let's start with mornings. How does your morning usually go?
Honestly, my morning routine is alarm rings, I ignore it, then panic.
That's what we call hitting snooze, when you keep pressing the button to sleep a little longer.
Oh, I hit snooze 5 times this morning.
Exactly. And then what happens? Are you late?
Always. I say to myself, Jake, you need to hurry. But in English, how do I say that naturally?
You can say, I'm running late. It means you're behind schedule and need to hurry.
Oh no, I'm running late. Perfect. That's way better than I am not on time.
Yes, I'm running late is super common. And if you're in a real rush, you can say, I'm running behind.
Got it. So after I panic, I skip breakfast and just grab coffee.
So you grab something. That's a great word. It means to take something quickly. I'll grab my keys. Let me grab a snack.
I grab my coffee and run out the door.
Perfect. And if someone asks how your morning was, you can say, it was hectic, or it was a rush.
Hectic. That sounds fancy.
It just means busy and a little chaotic. My morning was hectic. I almost forgot my phone.
That's me every single day.
All right, so you made it to the cafe. Let's practice ordering. Jake, pretend I'm the barista.
Okay. Hello. I want one coffee, please.
That's polite, but a bit formal. Most people say, can I get a coffee, please? Or I'll have a coffee.
Oh. Can I get a medium latte, please?
Perfect. Now, what if you want to customize it? Like you want oat milk?
I want oat milk in it?
Close. You can say, can I get that with oat milk? Or could you make that with oat milk, please?
Can I get a medium latte with oat milk? Nice.
Yes. And if you want to sound super natural, add to go if you're taking it with you, or for here if you're staying.
Can I get a medium latte with oat milk to go?
Beautiful. Now, imagine I hand you your coffee and say, here you go.
I say, thank you very much.
That works, but most native speakers just say, thanks, or appreciate it. Super casual.
Thanks. Appreciate it.
Wow, that's way more natural.
Right? Now, what if you're meeting a friend there and they ask, what have you been up to?
Wait, what does that mean?
It's a super common question. It means, what have you been doing lately? Or how have you been?
Oh, so I can say not much, just working and existing?
Yes. Or you can say, not much, just keeping busy, or same old, same old.
Same old, same old. I love that.
It means nothing's really changed, just the usual routine.
That's perfect for my boring life.
Stop. Your life isn't boring. You're learning English. That's exciting. Okay, now let's talk about work or school. Imagine it's a busy day and you're feeling tired. What do you say?
I am very tired.
That's correct, but here's a more natural way. I'm exhausted or I'm beat.
I'm beat? Like, someone hit me?
Oh, no. It's slang for being really tired. I'm beat or I'm wiped out.
Okay. I'm so beat today.
Perfect. Now, what if you really need a break? What do you say?
I need a break?
Yes, but you can sound more natural by saying, I could use a break. It's softer and more casual.
I could really use a break right now.
Exactly. Or you can say, I need to take 5. That means take a short break, 5 minutes or so.
Let me take 5. I'll be right back. Cool.
Yes. Now imagine your coworker asks if you want to help with something, but you're swamped. What do you say?
Very busy?
You can, but try this. I'm swamped right now, or I'm tied up at the moment.
Swamped, like in water?
Kind of. It means overwhelmed with work. I'm swamped with emails.
Sorry, I'm swamped right now. Can we talk later?
Perfect. That's polite and natural. And if someone asks for help and you can do it, say, sure, no problem, or yeah, I got you.
I got you. That sounds so cool.
It is. It's very casual and friendly, like, don't worry, I'll help. All right, it's the end of the day. Your friend texts and asks, wanna grab dinner?
Wait, grab again?
Yes, we use grab for quick, casual activities. Grab dinner, grab coffee, grab drinks.
So it's like doing something without too much planning?
Exactly. It's relaxed and spontaneous. So, how do you respond?
Yes, I want.
Not quite. Say, yeah, sounds good. Or, that sounds great. Or, I'm down.
I'm down? Like, I'm sad?
No, I'm down means I'm in or I agree. It's super common slang.
Wanna grab dinner? Yeah, I'm down. I love it.
Perfect. Now, what if you're too tired and don't want to go?
I don't want to?
That's a bit harsh. Instead, say, I'm not really in the mood, or I think I'll pass tonight.
I'm not really in the mood. That sounds polite.
It is. Or you can say, I'm pretty tired. Maybe another time.
I'm pretty tired. Rain check? Wait, can I say that?
Yes, rain check means let's reschedule for another time. Supernatural.
This is gold, Emma. Pure gold.
Okay, final scene. You're home, relaxing. What do you usually do?
I watch Netflix and do nothing.
That's called chilling or taking it easy.
I'm just chilling at home.
Perfect. Or you can say, I'm just hanging out or I'm winding down.
Winding down?
It means relaxing after a long day, calming down, getting ready for bed.
After work, I like to wind down with a show.
Beautiful. Now, what if your roommate is being loud and you want to politely ask them to be quiet?
Please be quiet?
That's okay, but try this. Do you mind keeping it down? Or could you keep it down a bit?
Oh, that's way more polite. Hey, do you mind keeping it down? I'm trying to wind down.
Perfect. You're using everything we learned. Now, what if they apologize?
They say sorry?
Yes. And you respond with, no worries. Or, no problem, you're good.
No worries, you're good.
That's so chill, right? It's friendly and relaxed. That's how native speakers talk every day.
I feel like I just learned a year's worth of English in 15 minutes.
That's the power of natural conversation. You're not memorizing grammar rules, you're learning how real people talk. All right, Jake, let's do a quick test. I'll give you a situation, and you respond naturally.
Let's go.
You woke up late. What do you say?
I'm running late.
Perfect. You need a break at work.
I could really use a break.
Yes. Your friend asks you to grab coffee.
Yeah, sounds good. I'm down.
Excellent. You're too tired to go out.
I'm not really in the mood. Maybe another time?
Beautiful. You're relaxing at home.
I'm just chilling and winding down.
Jake, you nailed it. You're speaking like a natural.
I feel so powerful right now.
See? Real English is all about simple conversations and natural expressions.
And sometimes just admitting your morning routine is chaos.
Exactly. Thanks for hanging out with us today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural English with Emma and Jake on Talk Smart Podcast.
Because English isn't about being perfect.
It's about being real. See you next time.
Bye.